What's up guys, just one day after the Galaxy S11's design was revealed, Samsung's cheaper and more compact Galaxy S11e has leaked out completely in a new set of renders accompanied by a 360-degree video that all arrive courtesy of Steve Mustafa in partnership with Price Baba. The second generation E device from Samsung, the Galaxy S11e is set to include a number of firsts, including a triple camera setup and a center-aligned display notch. Of course, the renders come courtesy of @OnLeaks in collaboration with Price Baba. For those looking for a smaller flagship, we're sure that the Samsung Galaxy S11e will be a popular option. It will measure in at a still pretty large 6.2 or 6.3 inch but remain more compact due to a large screen to body ratio. The device is said to roughly measure by 151.7 multiply 69.1 mm and will be slim at just 7.9 mm thick, although it increased to 9.1 mm if you include the camera's bump. Much like the larger S11, we are expecting top-tier internals including the as yet unannounced Snapdragon 865 chipset or the Exynos 990. We may see a minimum of 6 gigs of RAM in the S11e too. The Galaxy S11e is also highly likely to ship with Android 10 with One UI 2.0 out of the box. Unlike the S10e, the renders of the Galaxy S11e seemingly confirm that there will be no headphone port on the Galaxy S line, which we are sure will be disappointing some of you. The design follows the rumored Galaxy S11 design very closely, and the Galaxy S11e renders also shows the right side will have all hardware buttons. The tapered edges hint that we might see an in-display fingerprint reader on the Galaxy S11e this time around. The S10e has a capacitive reader within the sleeve wake button. As for that triple camera setup, while we are expecting the Galaxy S11e to come with that impressive 108 megapixel main sensor as seen in the Xiaomi Mi Note 10, we think it's fairly unlikely to come to the more affordable Galaxy S11e. The setup is expected to compromise of standard telephoto and wide-angle lens. How do you feel about the Galaxy S11e renders? Do you prefer a smaller phone, or would you like to see even more smaller devices with flagship internals? So yeah guys, what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yes, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.